You're doing everything right, but your dog's allergy keeps getting worse. You have switched foods, tried different shampoos, and even bought expensive creams, but nothing seems to work. That's why treating only the skin doesn't always help. The more effective solution: support your dog's immune system at the source. Dr. Paws Allergy Aid is made with powerful ingredients like colostrum, turmeric, and apple cider vinegar, all known to soothe inflammation, strengthen immunity, and reduce allergic reactions inside out. Hundreds of dog parents are already seeing the change, and they are relieved that they already found something that actually works. So if your dog is struggling with allergy, try Dr. Paws Allergy Aid.